Hi guys! If you can recognize what dish it is in the video, I'd like to say you are already a native Korean or a Korean snack master. Today, as you can guess, I'd like to talk about Korean snacks. After classifying Korean snacks into a couple of groups, I'm gonna introduce a special local snack only sells in my hometown, Gwangju City in Jeolla Province. This snack is unfamiliar even to many native Koreans outside of this Gwangju City, but at the same time, it's been getting popular nationwide due to the introductions in some TV programs of this menu. Are you interested? Oh, of course, you will learn some snack-related expressions like 간식, 분식, 분식집, 상추, and 튀김 in this episode.
Hello, I'm Boli, and it's Boli's Korean. I'm on my way to have that local snack I mentioned, which is 상추튀김. 상추 and 튀김 means lettuce and fries respectively. You will see what it's really like later in this video. While heading to the restaurant for it, why don't we talk about Korean snacks? As snack means a small amount of food eaten between meals or instead of a meal, the well-matched Korean word for snack would be 간식, 간식. But when we just say 간식, it covers too many types of food like cookies, fruits, donuts, etc. Among all the types of 간식, I guess 분식 is the real Korean snack part. 분식 indicates most Korean street foods like 김밥, 떡볶이, 라면, 만두, 튀김. So those restaurants sell that 분식s are called 분식집, 분식집, not 간식집, whereas most of other restaurants are called 식당. So what I'm looking for is a 분식집. Well, but I just realized that the street with a lot of 분식집s has been all changed to other cafes and small clothes shops. Then, when I found some 분식집s here, they say they don't have any 상추튀김 that I was looking for. Well, okay, it's time to admit the reality that it's been about 15 years since I left the city. So, can you guess what I've done? I searched on the internet like a foreign tourist. The reason ordinary 분식집 don't sell 상추튀김 nowadays is not like they don't sell this snack less. Rather, this one has become more specialized and some 분식집 sells this menu only unlike other 분식집s. Anyway, I am finally here. Yay! Well, the fries used to be various including potatoes, sweet potatoes, shrimps, and squid, etc. But it seems like they mostly sell squid fries only nowadays. Alright, I'm still happy with this one. Does this look great? To enjoy this 상추튀김, we put fries in the lettuce and make a sam, like we do with Korean barbecue. Jealous of me? If you wanna be a Korean snack master, try this 상추튀김 one day later. I'm sure you won't regret it. Then, you know what I'm gonna do now, right? Have a yummy day! Bye!